Hey guys, today we're building a fidget spinner. I've already got like 75% done. Well, I guess this is part 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is part 2.
Alright, I'm playing the music.
Okay, there. All you gotta do is put this much glue on. See that much? Okay. And then you just stick the last piece on there. Oh, it's really imbalanced. Look at this thing.
That is very nice.
Hey, you want tacos?
Yeah! Tacos! Sorry guys, that was in...
It's Taco Wednesday? Yes.
No, wait, it's Friday now.
Thursday.
Oh, it's Friday.
Thursday.
Friday! Hey guys, this is my friend Dave. Yeah, Dave can be here with every single video I make.
Oh, yeah.
This... Okay. We'll do that. Okay.
No, I'm gonna say it right now.
You do all the announcing and I'll do the... Alright guys, this is the fidget spinner that's halfway done. We broke off the first part. Okay. Get your section glue off. Yeah, this is the fidget spinner.
Alright, well, I'm going over to my house real quick.
Wait, what?
I have to.
Why?
Because it's just very important real quick.
Okay,
I'll
you
be
go.
back over. Okay?
Okay, before my mom gets back or after?
Wait, watch out. Good cat, watch out.
What are you doing?
I'm just going over there.
Okay, my friend just left and he'll be back in a little while. And this is the fidget spinner that we've already made halfway. Set this down, peel off the rest of that glue that when it broke off, and then
You want me to start it? Do you want me to film it for you?
it's still videoing.
I know.
Oh man, the rest of it's coming off.
I'm doing if you will.
It's a Mickey head. Look. Woohoo!
Do you want to use it?
Nah. Okay, guys and girls, I'm saying guys, if you build this kind of fidget spinner, watch out for the hot glue. It hurts.
Or just go buy one. I mean,
No, what if they want to make their own? Like out of an old fidget spinner that's broken.
how are they going to do it? They don't have a fidget spinner.
Yeah, but if they have one and then they
But what if they
break
don't
it
have one?
accidentally.
What if they don't have one?
Well, then they try to find this bearing that's laying around. They find metal if they can. I mean, not saying y'all can't. I'm just saying, if y'all can't find metal, find somebody who has a fidget spinner. Steal their fidget spinner. Just kidding. Don't steal. That's bad. I'm pretty sure y'all are probably not watching this video right now.